We're back at the river. Me and G. Hola. He's not feeling too good, but we came out here to relax a little bit. And there's the river, or the lake. What's the lake called, buddy?
I don't know what's it called. This is a wetland pond or something like that.
Wetlands.
Come here, babe.
Let's go.
Go check out the river.
Go to the river. So, yeah, hope y'all doing great out there. Hope y'all surviving. Staying strong. Decided to come out here. Maybe have a beer or two, you know. We adults, we can do it. And, yeah. Hope you're having a lovely day. Stay strong, peeps. We'll get through it. We'll get through it, all of it. And I'm getting a double chin, so I need to stop eating everything. Hi, buddy. Look at that, I was going to do this. That's extra neck. That's not cool. I'm getting extra neck, buddy. Huh? He said no ranting. No ranting about my neck meat. But
I need my bike fixed, buddy.
oh, I know. Yeah, you should.
That looks fun.
Oh yeah, look at that. The trail over there. Ooh. We are cruising. There's Gabo. And those people are catching fish over there in that little hut. I didn't know you're not supposed to fish in there, right? What's that about? But yep.
There's a troll under the bridge.
I know, yeah. Look how pretty. Just getting a shot. Getting some shots. Oh wow, look at that. Let me see.
He's making his ass vibrate.
Yeah, look at that. Is he on there? Look at him. Where's it? Oh, there. Look at him. Hello, Mr. Moth. My name is Willow. He's nervous. Ooh. He flew off.
He don't want to be your friend, buddy.
He don't want to be my friend.
I'll be your friend.
He don't want to be my friend. My buddy wants to be my friend, though.
I'll be your friend.
I'll be thy friend.
Okay.
Chicks. Hocus Pocus. We love that movie. We could quote the whole movie.
There's no more waterfall.
Oh yeah, this is where it was all flooded.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's still a little bit flooded over there, piece.
Mm-hmm. How did we get to that other part or the other side?
We walked through there.
This way?
Mm-hmm. That way. Yep. I've never been through here before, but you know, I'm trying to change up the cinematography and how it's filmed and such. Come here. Did it myself. Did I do a good job?
What?
I'm talking to my peeps.
Oh, look, there's an octopus, buddy.
Oh, it does, huh? Oh no, there's an octopus in there, peeps. Right there. That'd be freaky, huh? So be strolling and be walking and hiking. Look at the shrubbery though, peeps. This wasn't here like this before. It grew. It grewed. Yeah, Bigfoot was right there. Yep. Look at this. The shrubbery. Were you just walking? He what? He has a big foot. He does, big peeps. You're a Bigfoot, buddy, in the wilderness. Bigfoot, peeps, right there. Found him. He's Italian, you know. Italians got, you know. I'm not gonna go there. He's an Italian boy. I'm Hawaiian. Hula hula. Hawaiian and Spanish. I'm a mix. Ooh, look, see, we could have brought lettuce. Dang it. Hey, guys. He's coming out here because he thinks we have food. Buddy. We freaking forgot the dang lettuce. And we went to the store, too, and forgot the lettuce again. They're going to come out and be our friends, buddy. I love nature. Everybody's here today, peeps. Look at that. People walking. People in that hut over there. It's pretty active today. Very nice. It's nice to see people out and about. And the little goose. Goosey goose. Oh, there's another turtle over there, buddy. Is that right there? Is that a turtle? It is a turtle. Right there. We forgot. What did we forget, buddy? Lettuce. There's more people over there. The family. Mosquitoes. Oh dear. Bye, little goosies. We'll bring some lettuce for you. Next time we come over here. Huh, buddy?
Yeah.
That makes me sad. Hey, buddy. I'm sorry I don't know food for you. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I feel bad now. Look at this, though. Look at the reflection of the water on the water of the sky. Isn't that cool? It is pretty. I think I could mess with exposure here. There we go. Look at that. Okay. There's a lot of people out here today, peeps. And this little guy, oh, I feel so bad. See, there's people over there in that hut. And then, huh? Hey, guys. They're pretty. Bet they're partners. I feel bad. I feel horrible, buddy. I'm a terrible, horrible person. Because I forgot the lettuce. Archuleta, I forgot the lettuce. Why? Look at that. Look at the sky. They gave up. They're like, you know what? Forget y'all. We're going. Let's go, Holmes. Pipes. Talking to my pipes. I have 300 subscribers. And very few people actually comment on my videos. Makes me kind of sad. Did we? I don't remember. Okay. Oh. We'll go down here through the shrubbery. You know, you write a comment, I will respond. I'm not like most YouTubers are like, you write comments on their videos and they don't even say anything back. Well, I understand for like big YouTubers, they get like millions of comments. But I would try. I mean, it might take me a month or something to respond to all everybody, but I would. I'm a friendly person. Huh? Let's go, Green Bean. And my co-star over there, Gabo. Been friends for 7 years. And counting. He's my homeboy. He's my homie G. Because his name is Gabe, so... Homie G. Oh. Really? Let's see. Oh yeah, you can feel the oxygen, huh?
Yeah.
The fresh air coming off the... Yes, that's nice. That's interesting. Like you can actually feel a nice breeze. Right here, peeps. Like a nice, like fresh air. Emanating. What's that?
Like a bike coming.
Oh, I'm getting aided.
What is that?
The chainsaw? La. Does it sound like it's getting closer?
Yeah.
What is that? Is it a boat? I don't know. A plane? Or it might be one of those boats with a big old propeller. You know what I mean? Like with a, they're like pushed by a bunch of like a big old fan in the back of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. I thought we were about to see a plane coming with those trees right there, peeps. I thought I was gonna see some craziness. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I thought for real, I thought a plane was like gonna be like right over those trees. I was gonna photograph it, bro, whatever it was. I was gonna catch it. Oh no. Huh? Oh, I know. See it pass by, I know. What are those boats called? Like a swamp boat or something like that? That is powered by a big fan in the back. Has a flat platform. I know. I know, look at this. It's pretty. It's glorious out here, peeps. For everybody that lives in Albuquerque, come on down to the Bosque and hike the trails. Get out of the house. Come on down. There's no smoke back here. I wouldn't recommend that. Don't smoke. I know. I was ready to capture it, buddy. Oh yeah, yep. This is where it was. Whoop, there it is. There's a trail that way, and then the trail continues that way, and then it goes that way, back that way towards the lake. Oh, right. Okay, let's go. All right. Do 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 ah. Yep, that's how it is right now. Mosquitoes. There's mosquitoes, peeps. So we're going into the forest. Yes. Here we go. La 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 la. Yes. Oh, uh-oh. It's getting narrow. Don't try to scare me again. Cause I already know you're there. Last time in the other video piece, he's like, he hid behind the bushes and he was like, roar! Yeah, see, he did that. And he caught me. I was about to give him a judo chop. It didn't look like this last time we were in here. Never was it? Scared. So scary. The Blair Witch for you. I like that movie. That's fake. That was a pretty cool movie. The Blair Witch. And poor Josh gets dismembered. Josh! Poor guy. I like that movie. Let's make our own Blair Witch project, buddy. Oh shit! Oh shizzle! Shizzle! Look at this. This has grown a lot. The last time. Oh shit! Got attacked by bugs. Mosquitoes. It's a mosquito. I got attacked by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. I have my own language sometimes. I'm weird. Duck, dip, dive, dodge. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh dear. We return. Yep. That guy, they took off, right?
Yeah. It took forever.
It took forever, buddy. Sorry about that.
And put the blanket down.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, we're gonna set up a little.
Let's go get attacked by vampires.
I know we should have brought some off.
I didn't have them. I didn't buy some.
Okay, hold on, peeps. Putting the stuff away, peeps, and we're gonna go try to find another area that's more open. Because there's vampires trying to drink our blood. So we're gonna make our way back. Try to find a more open area. So stay tuned, peeps. Be back. Okay, peeps. So we got back from underneath the wilderness there, and We're trying to find a more open area. Because back there, we're gonna set up our little picnic blanket and just kick it. But notice that
Vampire mosquito.
we're gonna get dacted by vampire bugs. Get all ate up. You okay?
The spider.
Oh.
I wasn't killing him, I was trying to scare him.
Get away. Yep. We are cruising. Look at the sky. It's pretty.
Somebody's coming back now.
Ooh. I thought we were gonna see something crazy. I know, right? We'd have been on the news, buddy.
That trail up there goes to the river.
Wanna go back there and check it out?
They think there'll probably be a bunch of mosquitoes again too, huh?
Probably. Wanna go more that way?
Yeah.
So you'll find a nice open area. We should have brought some off, so these bugs could bug off. These bugs bug, buddy.
Yeah. That's what I call bugs.
I know, they bug. Dang you, bug. Yep, yep. Get away from me. They're like, ooh, nice, clean, fresh blood. Disease-free. Get away from me, bitch. What is it? What is it? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at him. He's right there. Where is he? Get away. Where? I got it on the camera. There he is. He's
He
right.
blends into the lead.
Yeah, right there. There he is. Him. Right in the center of the shot.
That's Ringo.
Yeah, it's Rango. Mr. Pips, you did good. Hi, buddy. Oh, he's gone.
These mosquitoes are gonna eat us alive, buddy. I think we should go.
No.
I think this is a good idea. They should keep flying by me. Look at that.
Oy.
Next time we'll be off.
Guess we have to go.
You wanna get bit?
No.
We can keep hiking that way.
Want to check it out?
It's like, so I saw that.
The moisture, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're walking. Me and homeboy. Yes, Rebob. Let me show him. You want to get ate by the bugs. The bugaboo see a bug and see it ain't cool. Huh?
That plant looks like it would hurt to touch. It's so spiky.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Fucking mosquitoes.
Oh shit. I should have. Get off me.
Why would I have a bug that spikes us?
That's what?
Why would I have a bug that sucks our blood?
Oh, I know. Vampires. There's a few bugs out there that drink blood, right? That prefer humans. Like mosquitoes. What else? Mosquitoes, bed bugs, right? They like to drink human blood. Leeches. Bed bugs, that's awful. Leeches. Yeah, look at that. It's very active today, peeps. There's a lot of people out here. Very nice. And it's still like social distancing because the place is so big. So you come out here, get out of your house, and walk around the Bosque. The Bosque. You should have covered up your legs, buddy. Because I've got my MBAs on. And yeah. We're walking. And walking. And walking. Hope you guys having a lovely day. If you want, tell me about it in the comments. Tell you how I've been doing. Struggling, you know. Well, I've been doing alright. You know, thank God. I hope everyone else is doing all right too. I'm sure all this is gonna end soon, guys. Yeah, make sure you wear your masks. Even if it's uncomfortable, it's better than getting sick, you know? And it just shows courtesy when you're out and about to other people. I'm pretty sure this is going to end soon. You know what I mean? I'm hoping. Praying. It's been a sad year, though. Those poor people are sick. But I don't want to talk about that. Come out here to the Bosque, peeps. Get out of the house and come here and enjoy some fresh air. Bring some off, though. Some bugs are going to be like all up on you. He told me how. I need to get a better mic because sometimes you can't hear my buddy over there talking. Or he needs to yell at me and be like, ah! Ah! Yeah. He has loud neighbors where he lives. But, yeah, so we're just walking and trying to find another place to chill. Oh, yeah, look at that. It looks like Mickey Mouse, peeps. Well, hello there, pal. What? Gabe loves Mickey Mouse. I love... Who would I say that I like? When it comes to animated... Probably, I like that little snowball bunny guy from Pets. Wait. Yeah, look, we can find some benches, peeps. Sit down and kick it. Decided not to sit there. It's loaded with spider webs. Oh no. And we don't want to get bitted by a spider. You hear the birds chirping? I don't know if you can hear people in the background over there. That shrubbery. You chatting. Families are out here. It's a nice day. Beautiful day. Yeah, a beautiful bird. He's singing. He's singing a song. Yeah, there's people over there. Peeps. Come on out here. Still social distancing because the place is, like I said, is really big. And, you know, yeah, you really need a mask out here. You don't need to wear a mask outdoors. In your car or whatever, you know what I mean? Because...
there's people back there?
Yeah, we're going back there to that trail. All right. Hi. Oh yeah, this is probably a little pond at one point. There's people over there. Oh. Ah, fucking bastard. What the hell is that? It's crawling on me. Hold on. Wildlife is active today, peeps. It's alright, it's like a little bug. It's crawling on me. I really get creeped out by bugs. They just bug. Bugs just bug.
I have to ruin stuff.
Oh, yeah. They have to write all over it. They should hand out, coloring books or something. They're probably bored. Hello. I hear you, but I don't see you. So you see people over there, buddy?
Yeah. I keep so that I don't see.
There they are. They're over there.
It says River Mile 182.
City of Albuquerque.
That's not that many.
Huh.
I'll have to go capture you out of there.
Got pity.
Those people are in the water.
Are there? Oh yeah, look at that. There's people over there. My peoples. Right over there. See them. Right there. In the water. Try to hold it steady. Having it on a selfie stick really kind of helps stabilize it, yeah. I mean, I'm pretty good just normally handheld. Got pretty steady hands. But to have a selfie stick kind of helps be more steady. But yes, Reba. This is called the Rio Grandé here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Okay.
You're getting beat up, buddy.
Should we get out of here? Just call it a day or what?
Like that way backwards.
Back to home?
Yeah.
I guess we'll call it a day, peeps. We want to kick it somewhere and grab a beer, buddy?
Yeah, let's go somewhere around.
Okay.
Try we have a thing where nobody knows things where we take a photo.
Oh, I know, yeah. Just a beer. And we know how to handle ourselves. We're not like crazy people. Even when we do get drunk, we don't act a fool. I get more friendly. Yeah, and I get silly. That's usually when I start doing the Snapchats. I mean, some of them, you know, we're not drunk, but Snapchat, the filters just kind of like get my personality to bloom. Like I could create characters with the Snapchats. I like that. It's like, "Arr, I'm gonna grab Gabriel." Buddy, the bag is open. Mm-hmm. Okay, hold on. Oh, these are, see, there's a big family right there, peeps. Right there. Goo. Wanna go get some off?
Time we get back.
Oh, I know. Well, when can we come back? Because Gabe's moving, so I don't know if it'll be the next time we'll be able to come out here, peeps. We come out here because he's
I got my license, baby.
oh yeah, there's a license renewed.
I wanna go on bigger adventures.
Oh, I know, yeah, exactly. He's getting his license renewed, peeps. So we'll be able to take some road trips and stuff. We're looking forward to that. Oh, shit. Fucking. Excuse my language. Oh, my lord. Don't cuss. Oh, profanity. Pardon that. I didn't say it. I said freaking.
I'll get one of these. Every time you cuss, I'll put it in your nose.
Oh. Yeah. Person riding his bike. Hey, give me a ride. You want to sit somewhere and have a beer, buddy?
Where?
We'll go towards the bridge or over there. What you think? Look at this tree, peeps. You want to get the creeps just a little bit? You see, like, there's little tiny cocoons of I don't know what all over this tree. Yeah. All over the tree. All the way up. Look at them. I don't know what it is or what they are. But it's... Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's a piece of liquid hot magma. Lava rock, peeps. I know.
Weird.
We have volcanoes in our city, but they're pretty far away from here.
Like a good 10, 12 miles.
Yeah.
See that big old boulder?
I know, right? Flying through the air.
Timber.
That duck was pissed about something, huh? Did you hear him? Quack, 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 quack.
Max, you're bringing lettuce.
Yeah, I didn't bring lettuce. He's all that archuleta, didn't bring archulettuce. My last name's Archuleta. It's Archie Beck, actually.
Archer.
It's Archie Beck. Archer back.
Oh, no.
Hey now, shut it down. Kids are watching. There's roots. Look at the roots upon the trees. But we cruising and a cruising to the Bosque, to the Bosque, Tingly Beach. That's that direction over there. We're in the Bosque.
Literally says do not litter and look.
What in the hell, man? People these days. See if I can get a shot of this. I can read it. Tingly Beach Recreational Area in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Located South Central Avenue on the east side of the Rio Grandé River, or the Grandé River. A series of ponds originally known as Conservancy Beach was built in the 1930s by diverting water from the Rio Grandé River. It was it was later renamed in honor of Clyde Tingley after serving as governor of New Mexico. Bugs. Dang bugs. Governor of New Mexico, Clyde Tingley returned to Albuquerque, was elected to the city commission, and as chairman became the ex official mayor of Albuquerque from 1939 to 1948 and 1951 to 1953. Tingley Beach was renowned in 2004. Oh, renovated in 2004, and reopened to the public in November 2005. Tingley Beach, that's that way. Over there. There's a Bosque.
This tells you the rules.
Yeah, there's tons of rules, peeps. You gotta blow that on pause if you want. You can read it. Hold on, sir. Throw that on pause if you guys want to check that out. It's got some rules about the Bosque that we're in currently. Looks like some kids wrote it or something by the writing. But yeah. Okay, we're going to continue on. Continuing on. What is it? Oh, another cocoon. Hello, anybody home? Going. There's a lot of people back here today, peeps. Peoples. Hey, no cussing. YouTube. I'm about to just pause this for now. Look over here, peeps. Those people are passing behind us. We're gonna go check out this tree. It looks like it broke in half. Check that out. Look at that. Wow. Be careful.
Yes, Dad.
Hey, son. What broke this, I wonder?
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot, huh? Gabe broke it. Okay, wow. And that tree over there is broken, too. Gabe, what'd you do to these trees?
You got mad.
I might have broke that one. Sat on it, broke it.
Take it down.
Need help?
I got it.
Okay, we're going to sit down and kick it for a minute somewhere. We're not getting chewed on. Yeah, let's see. See what we can do. We're going to go up that trail, boy. See what else we can find. Then we found some berries, peeps. What are they called, buddy?
Banzanberries.
Banzanberries. Look at that. Mmm. Like a tree of berries. Cool. Want to try one, buddy? Yummy.
They're ripe yet.
They're not ripe yet.
That one's still kind of pink.
Oh, yeah. Look at that, though.
That one's
It's a whole tree of them. Hello. Oh, it's Spanish. Berries. Yummy. There's people pass by us. I said hello to them, but I don't think they spoke in English.
Spanish.
Spanish, there you go. No, they spoke Spanish, they didn't speak English. Oh, yeah, okay. Edit.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué pasta? Ooh, a pasta. Mm. I know, don't say pasta. No pasta, homies. Yeah. When the sun comes up, we're dust. Hocus Pocus. Love that movie. They should have made a sequel.
Hocus Brocus.
Hocus Yeah. I got this from Fetty Wap.
Hoverba.
There's more people over there.
We're already right here.
Oh yeah, we're at that platform.
We're already almost to Central.
Oh wow, want to go underneath that bridge?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, a little bit more walking, but peeps. I'm gonna cut it just a little bit because I don't want to. There's not even much forest out here. But we'll be right back.
There's going to be a bunch of horses, I think.
Oh yeah. Been like two minutes, and but look at this. From last little check-in, found a big old broken tree, peeps. Look at it. Look at it. Hello. Hey, somebody lives in there.
Anyone home?
Hello. Imagine something.
Okay.
Oh, that can hurt.
Looks like lightning hit it.
Look
Huh?
at that.
Doesn't it?
Oh, you can see it. I'm putting the camera up high.
Looks like lightning hit it.
Boom. Wow.
It did, look, because it was caught on fire.
Boom. Man. This tree's a big boy.
Was a big boy.
It was a big boy. Oh, wow. Look at that, buddy. It's got a hole.
Check out the hole.
Check out the hole. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Crazy, huh?
Mm-hmm. Knock, knock. Anybody there?
Pooh Bear comes out.
Oh, bother. Okay, we're going to go try to find a area to kick it. But big old tree. We're going. We are walking. Okay, we're like more at this open area here. I found some picnic tables. So we're gonna sit down, have a little brew. Yeah. Little harmless brew. Don't hurt nobody. Brew. He saw boobs. There's none out here, unfortunately. Unfortunately, that sucks. Just kidding. Just a kitten. I put my glasses. See, I like this weird shaped forehead where my glasses sits perfectly on my forehead. So I have a big brain. What can I say? Big old head, big old dome piece. Love is love. Cannot be killed or swept aside, peeps. Look at that. That is pretty. Love is love. Exactly. Exactamundo. As long as we all adults, who cares? Do what makes you happy. Forget the haters.
See, you got the haters.
Forget the haters, I said. There, buddy, we're gonna have a beer. And just chill.
I'm telling you this.
Little harmless beer, don't hurt nobody. We'll see you guys in a while. Hey, babes. We decided to sit down for a little bit. We decided not to have no brews, follow the rules.
We had some wild ones.
Yeah, we're gonna save our 6-pack for home. But we're gonna go to the river and probably cut the video, end it, And where should we go towards to make the video? The river. Yeah, we're gonna conclude it here pretty soon, here, peeps. But I hope you enjoyed the video.
The sun's going down.
Yeah, the sun's going to start to come down.
My side of town.
On my side of town, that lonesome feeling. How's it go? When my whole world turns blue. I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon. We have to wait for the bikers.
How you say it?
Huh?
Hulk Hogan.
He did, huh? He looked like Hulk Hogan. Hey, snap it to a Slim Jim. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna make our way to the river over here. And there's been a lot of people out here, peeps. A lot of people out here today.
Robin?
Rockin' Robin. Tweet. A tweedledee. She rocks in the treetop all the day long. Rockin' and a poppin' and a singing this song. All the little birds on Caber Street loves to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin. Tweedledee. See, we're the only ones. Hello.
Hello.
We're the only ones here, out here enjoying nature. There's some girls right there. Some ladies. It's Gabo. Hello. And we're strolling. We're gonna make it to the river, peeps. Where the sun goes before the sun goes down. We're almost by the river, peeps. We're kind of the same area from the last video, the woodpecker. You saw it. I'll put some annotations on the end of the screen, or what do they call them, on-screen videos or annotations, something like that. Maybe you can check out some more of our stuff. But if you like the video, give it a like, you know, appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. And come up with some good stuff pretty soon. Go on road trips. Planning a trip to Denver, Colorado, pretty soon for my buddy's birthday. For the 4th of July. And, well, it's getting a little grainy. I guess it's trying to pick up as much light as it could, the camera. But, we're going to the river. Get a good shot of it. What was that? Did you hear that? It's the cuckoo-y.
Watch it, buddy.
What? Oh. Oh, don't tell me stuff like that. Say it's just there's poo on the ground.
I told you were talking to the camera.
Almost stepped in poo. Okay. There's a weird creature or something over there. It's like, "Roar!" I think it was Gabe's relatives. His Bigfoot. It's La Llorona. Imagine her. La Llorona and Corona. What a couple of cabronas. Got that from a little baby dreamer. She's another Albuquerque YouTuber. She's great. I'd like to meet her. Do a collab. I'm silly too. We're going to the beach again. Here we are, peeps. Here we are. At the, oh, I'm sorry. I'll be right there. Oh, shit. Look at it. Here we are. Yes. Yeah, want to?
Oh, you have to cut the camera because...
Yeah. We're having just a kick it moment. But I recommend y'all come out here to the Bosque in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Yeah. Come out here and enjoy life, peeps. I think this is almost going to be over with pretty soon. Wear masks in public places. You know, just be courteous. Be safe. Wash your hands often, peeps. Oh, he's setting up our picnic spot. My buddy Gabo. Hello.
Sink into the dirt.
You sinking to the sand, buddy?
Yeah.
It's quicksand.
No, we're at the beach.
We're at the beach. Oh, yes. Here we are. It's Bob. But I hope everyone's doing great. Hope y'all enjoy my video. And, oh, I'm gonna brighten it up here. I really gotta figure out how to do this thing. The exposure. That's the other side. We should go hiking on the other side one of these days, buddy.
Next week?
Yeah.
Next Friday. I'm off next Friday.
Yeah. He said next Friday. Whenever we could get him. Because the microphone on this thing's not too great. So, that's right, Bob. We're gonna take a little chill here. And probably head back since the sun's disappearing soon. But yes, peeps. Hope y'all enjoyed my video. I'll put some links on the screen here. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, peeps. I appreciate it. You're what?
I got a mic for lemonade.
Oh, they did. So yeah, I'll put some links here on the screen. And yeah. Any last words, buddy, for the video?
Have a good night and be safe out there.
Yep. Exactly. And yep. Put some links here, peeps. Y'all have a wonderful night. Love y'all. Ta-ta. See you soon, peeps. Love y'all. Let's go swimming, buddy. Right now, let's go.